the previous class we have learned all the formulas related. Now, based on that formulas, the problems of exercise 13.1, the first question is given to you. Two cubes of each value. Value of the cube is also here. You need to know value of the cube is given to you 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Okay. So, value of the cube is equals to a cube. Value of the cube is equals to a cube. Two cubes, each value 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. So two cubes are joined. So find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. If the two cubes are joined, this is cube. These are the cubes now. So then what you are going to get it? Its value is given. So given value of the cube, a cube is equals to 64. So a cube is equals to 4 cube. So a is equals to 4. Here it is centimeter cube is given. So a is equals to 4 centimeters here. And when two cubes are joined means this is 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. The length becomes the then dimensions of resulting cuboid. Length is equals to 2 times of the side of the cube. So this is equals to 8 centimeters and breadth is equals to same 4 centimeters and height is equals to 4 centimeters. Now the question is asking you to find out the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So surface area of cuboid. So surface area of the cuboid formula 2 into LV plus BH plus LH. So 2 into L into D, 8 4s are 32, directly under. B into H, 4 4s are 16, and L into H, again 32. 64, 80. So 2 into 80, so which is equals to 160 centimeters square is the resulting cuboid area. See, when you combine the two cubes combined together, its height and breadth will not change. Okay, so very simple question here. समझ में आया ना? Let us go to the
Yes, sir.
next. Let us go to the second question here. Second one. So the question is, when a vessel is in the form of the hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. Hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder means hemisphere. A vessel is in the form of the hollow hemisphere. Hollow is nothing but pura khali hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. So that is nothing but the shape of the like this. ये hemispherical shape and this is cylindrical shape. Like this a vessel is there. Okay, एक बर्तन है, vessel is nothing. Okay, so find the diameter of the hemisphere. The diameter of the hemisphere is equals to 14 centimeters. This diameter is given here. So given diameter D is equals to 14 centimeters. Therefore, radius R is equals to 7 centimeters. Okay, and total height of the vessel is 13 centimeters. Total height. Vessel total height is 13 centimeters. It is given. So then, whenever you can take that, this height if you are subtracting, this is the radius now. Radius, whatever it is there, that if you are subtracting the height of the cylinder, you are going to get it. And find the inner surface area of the vessel. Inside surface area is asking for you to find. So there is nothing but you need to find out the curved surface area of a cylinder and surface area of the hemisphere. In दोनों को add करना है. Before that, you need to find out the height. Your complete height is given to you 13. So in this is the radius. So what is the radius here? Radius of the even hemispherical shape is same as the radius of the base of the cylinder. दोनों का same radius. So now what you get here? Height given the total height of vessel is equals to 13 centimeters. Therefore, height of cylinder, this you represent by the h, height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder h is equals to 13 minus 7 because this radius should be subtracted. So which is equals to 6 centimeters is the height. So therefore, surface area of vessel is equals to 2 pi RH inside area plus 2 pi r square curved surface area of the hemisphere. ये दोनों को add करें. In this case, r is same. In some other situations, r may be different, but in this case, r is similar. So this, if you want, you can consider the 2 pi r common ले सकते हैं. Then you will get h plus r. Actually, what you are going to get, this is the formula for the total surface area of the cylinder. In this situation, total surface area of the cylinder का भी यही आएगा. In this situation, the inner surface area of the vessel also you are going to get the same. So 2 into the value can be taken, pi value should be taken as 22 by 7. The radius is given to you 7, and h is equals to 6, and r is equals to 7. So this 7 will get the answer 44 into 30 centimeters square. So multiply by 34 the 52 572 centimeters square. It's not a very complicated problem. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Now let us go to the next question here. Third one, a toy is in the form of the cone. A toy is in the form of the cone of the radius of 3.5 centimeters, mounted on a hemisphere. Question is given to you, mounted on a hemisphere. Hemisphere के ऊपर कौन है? प्रीवियस वाला प्रॉब्लम क्या था? हेमिस्फीयर के ऊपर सिलेंडर है, इधर कोन इज गिवन एंड द सेम radius is given, total height is given and asking you to find out the surface area of the toy. So in this situation, what you have to do is it is also simple, but cone surface like this. The shape of the figure is like this. Given radius, so given radius of hemisphere r is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Total height is given to you 15.5. Total height of toy. Total height of toy is equals to 15.5 centimeters. Okay, and height of the cone. Height of the cone part. Conical part also you can write it if you want to write. Height of the conical part. Conic part में क्या है? तो इसका height. Let us represent 15.5 minus 3.5, which is equals to 12 centimeters. So this is 12 centimeters. So this is 12 centimeters. This is 3.5 centimeters. And actually, what is required to us? Surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy is nothing but surface area of the cone, which is pi r L. L is required. L is needed. So slant height of cone L is equals to under root of h square plus r square. So under root of 2l square plus this is 3.5 whole square. So which is equals to under root of 144 plus 3.5 whole square is nothing but you are going to get it as a 3 So which is equals to under root of 156.25. So 156.25 you are going to get it as a 12 into 30, 12, 13, 12 into 30, 12 is 36, 12, yes, 156. So you are going to get it as a 12.5. This is equals to 12.5 centimeters. So 12.5 into 12.5 find out for you are going to get it as a. So it's a very simple here. Square of the any number ending with 5 if you want to find out. How will I do here? I'll explain you. See, suppose 56. Sorry. If I want to find out here 3.5 whole square, 35 square. This is 35 normal. 3 का next number क्या है? 4. 3 4s are 12 and 5 5s are 25. Square of the any number if you want to find out. Suppose if you want to find out 55 square. 5 next number क्या है? 6. 5 6 are 30 and 5 into 5 25. The answer is 2. Like that here it is ending in the 150. ये तो 5 है. So 156 will you get it? 12 into 30 you are going to get 156. Approximation yes, I have guessed that one 12 into 30. So 12.5. 125 square is equals to 125 square चाहिए तो 12 का next number 13 से multiply करना है. That is 156 unit. And 5 square is 25. So this is the dot is here and here. So that's why 12.5. So like this, easily square root of number you will find it, which is ending in the 5. So you got a slant height. Therefore, the question is asking you to find out the total surface area of the toy. Total surface. See here, most of the students will get confused that total surface area means total surface area of the cone should not be taken. आपको फिगर में क्या दिख रहा है? Surface area में एक toy is in that form. एक लट्टू के जैसा normally. लट्टू means top, you know that. Okay, लट्टू के जैसा shape में है. So उसका surface area is nothing but where you can touch. So only curved surface area of the cone and the curved surface area of the hemisphere should be taken. So curved surface area of the cone is pi r and curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r. From this, if you want, you can take the pi r common. So L plus 2r, L plus 2r. And values you substitute here. R is equals to 3.5. So substitute that. R is equals to 3.5 and L is equals to 12.5 and 2R is equals to 7. 7 vaja 0.5. 0.5 into 2.2. So this will simplify 0.5 into 2.2. 11 you are going to get because this 0.5 is nothing but 11 into 12.5 means 19.5. इसको multiply कर लो, then you express this in the form of the centimeter square. Okay. Next, let us go to the next question. Fourth one. समझ में आया ना? Simple problem है, इसमें slant height find out करना पड़ता है. Okay. इसमें slant height है and previous problem there is no need of finding the slant height. That's all. That is all the difference between these two. Okay. Next, fifth one. So fourth question is given to you. Fourth question we have not discussed. Let's see the fourth one also. Fourth one. A cubical block of 7 centimeters is surmounted by hemisphere. Cubical block of the 7 centimeter cube form में है. It is surmounted by hemisphere. Hemisphere इसके ऊपर है. Okay, so like this you can, if you want, you can draw like this. Like this, and either a hemisphere like this ऊपर. एक box है ऊपर hemisphere is there. And what is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere? Greatest diameter of the hemisphere is on the side of the cube. Greatest means maximum क्या है वो दिया है, and find the surface area of the solid. If it is completely exactly fit हो गया हो है, so surface area of the solid you need to find. And here whenever you are considering this figure, please be careful here. Normally, sir, what is the surface area of the cube? So what are the given things? Let us write. Given side of the cube is given here. Side of the cube. So let us consider that it as an A is equals to 7 centimeters. Therefore, the greatest diameter of hemisphere, D is equals to also 7 centimeters. Therefore, radius R is equals to 7 by 2 centimeters. Radius R you got it. Now, whenever you are taking this figure, if you are taking into consider, if you want to find out surface area, एक क्यूब है, एक क्यूब मान लो, इसके ऊपर एक हेमिस्फीयर है. दिस इज नॉट ए क्यूब, क्यूब फॉर्म में कंसीडर करो. इसके ऊपर एक क्यूब है. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट दैट फिगर इज शोइंग टू यू. ये सर्कुलर पार्ट है ना, दिस सर्कुलर पार्ट इज नॉट विजिबल टू यू. इट इज नॉट विजिबल टू, कवर हो गया. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. If you want the surface area of the solid, if you want to find out surface area of solid will be equal to, what is the total surface area of the cube? 6a square minus circular part is covered by hemisphere. कवर हो गया ना, वो तो हमको नहीं दिख रहा है. ऊपर सर्कुलर पार्ट इज हेमिस्फीयर इज प्लेस्ड. So ये पार्ट हमको नहीं दिख रहा है, तो the circular part should be subtracted and what should be added? ऊपर ऐसा सरमाउंट हो गया सर्कुलर हेमिस्फीयर सरमाउंट हो गया बोलो तो, and that hemisphere part should be added. Hemisphere surface area क्या है? 2πr square. So which is equals to 6a square plus pi r square minus pi r square plus 2πr square. Once this one, did you understand a part? Be careful that whenever you are finding the surface area find out कर रहे हैं तो उसका ऊपर क्या करेंगे? Value whenever you are finding, it is not necessary to subtract. And surface area whenever you are finding, so that place is covered by the another figure, another solid. ये एक solid है, इधर एक आधा ऐसा बैठी, so ये place cover हो गया. So this should not be taken into consideration. That's why we should subtract the circle area. So here the question is given to you. It is surmounted by the hemisphere is nothing but exactly fit हो गया है इसमें. तो ये circle area subtract करना है and this area will be added. So 6a square plus 5r square. Did you understand how do we get this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 6a square. A is nothing but 6 into 7 square plus 22 by 7 pi value. R square is nothing but 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 ones. So 6 into 49 plus 77 by 2. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. 77 by 2. 49 into 6. 50 into 6 करना. ये मल्टीप्लाई करने का भी जरूरत है. 50 into 6, 300. From that 6 is subtract करना. 294. The answer is 294 plus 77 by 2. So 77 by 2 you can express in decimals. In decimals we express कर सकते हैं. So if you express in decimals, what is it? 37.5 आ जाएगा. 37 to the 74. Sorry. 38.5. 38.5. 2 से डिवाइड, ये दोनों को ऐड करना है. So 332.5 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the solid. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Fifth one. So fifth one is given here. Okay. Hemispherical depression. Depression is nothing but cut कर लिया. Hemispherical depression is cut out from the face of the cubical wooden block, such that diameter L of the hemisphere, diameter is given to you, hemisphere का diameter is given to you, is equal to the edge of the cube. Same model है, ये भी problem same model है. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So here what to do? ये प्रॉब्लम भी कट कर लिया. So कट कर लिया तो ऊपर का सर्कुलर पार्ट is not there, but inside circular part is there. Whenever you are taking here, this is a part है, ये cuboid part. Either actually total surface area of the cube, if you are taking into consider, total surface area of the cube consider, ये पूरा आ जाएगा. But इसमें circular part कट कर लिया. Inside hemispherical shape में कट हो गया. So hemispherical shape में कट हो गया तो then what you are going to do? ऊपर तो खाली दिखता है ना हमको, ऊपर वाला part. So same formula आ जाएगा. So here in this case, the figure shows to you like this. Like this inside. See here, whenever ये खाली दिखता है, तो ये that means ऊपर वाला part कट कर लिया. So ऊपर का surface area is not there. ऊपर तो surface नहीं है, closed नहीं है, कट कर लिया. So ऊपर part is cut out. So then you can take you have to subtract the surface area, and then after you have to add the surface area of the hemisphere. So same formula you are going to get it, but here instead of the number, the variable is given to you, given diameter of the hemisphere. So given diameter of hemisphere is equal to L centimeters. This implies that side of the cube A is also equal to L centimeters. Therefore, radius of hemisphere. Okay, if you want here itself, you can write diameter. If it is given to this implies, therefore radius R is equal to L by 2 centimeters. So therefore, here whenever the value is taken into consider in this situation, value बोले तो subtract करना है, hemispherical cut कर लिया है. So from the total value से hemispherical subtract. But here surface area is asking you. So when the surface area is asking you, therefore surface area of solid is equal to same 6a square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. So which is equal to 6a square plus pi r square. So 6 into a value L square plus pi r value is L by 2 whole square. So 6 L square plus pi L square by 4. So if you want, you can take the L common here of 6 plus pi by 4. You can keep it like this, and you can write centimeter square. In the form of L, you can write it as it is. So this is the way to find out the same model है. वो hemispherical shape is surmounted. इधर concentrical hemispherical depression is cut out. So in both the situations, the formula is same. You are going to get it. Okay. So next, let us move to the sixth question. Simple है. Sixth one, capsule. A medicine capsule is in the shape of the cylinder with the two hemispheres stuck to each of the ends, and the total length of the capsule is 14 millimeters. The diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeters, and find its surface area. So like this, ये cylinder है, इधर hemispheres, two hemispheres are there. And total length is given to you 14 millimeters this capsule, and the diameter is given to you 5 millimeters is the diameter. Given diameter D is equals to 5 millimeters, implies radius R is equals to 5 by 2 millimeters. Total length of capsule. Total length of capsule is equals to 14 millimeters. Total length of the capsule is equals to 14 millimeters. Now, and length हमको क्या चाहिए इधर? Whenever it is this is hemisphere means two hemispheres together will make the one sphere, and this is cylindrical. So cylindrical का surface area 2 pi r h. So height of the cylindrical part. You need height of cylindrical part. So height of cylindrical part. This you can represent by h. The total से क्या subtract करना है? Can anyone say? Yes. Total length से what should be subtracted to get the this only height of the cylindrical part. This is what here. इधर से इधर तक क्या है?
Radius.
इधर से इधर तक क्या है? Radius. 2 times should be subtracted. 14 minus 2 times of the radius. 2 times of the radius. That is nothing but 1 time diameter. So 14 minus 5, which is equals to 9 millimeters, is the height of the thing. Therefore, surface area of the capsule. Surface area of capsule is equals to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. ये गलत है. गलत किधर है? किनारे का 90 है. What is around here? Think here one hemisphere, here two times of two hemispheres. So with one sphere surface area should be taken into consideration. Not 2 pi r square, 4 pi r square here. समझ में आया? So what do you get here? From this 2 pi r, if you take the common, h plus 2 r. 2 pi r h is the cylindrical part, and 4 pi r square is the 2 times the two hemispherical ends are there ना. इस साइड one hemisphere, इस साइड hemisphere, और दोनों मिला के पार्ट करना है कि दोनों मिला तो one hemisphere होगा, and इसका surface area is nothing but 4 pi r square. So these values you have to substitute. 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius is given to you 5 by 2, and hemisphere height is given to you 2 into 5 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 22 into 5 plus 7 into 7 plus 5, 14. 2. 22 into 10, which is equals to 220 millimeters square should be written. Millimeter square. Okay? Did you understand here? Simple question. इसमें कुछ नहीं है. Combination. Surface area is very different. See here, every problem is little bit unique way it is given. But the situations whenever it is given to you also, you should be ready to understand that. Okay? Next, seventh problem. A tent is in the shape of the cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Cylinder के tent सर्कस टेंट होता है ना नॉर्मल, लाइक दिस. एक सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट है, इसके ऊपर कोन लाइक दिस surmounted. Total, if the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part, only cylindrical part का height and diameter. Height is given to you 2.1 centimeters. This one. and diameter is given to you 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters either. Okay, and the slant height of the top 2.8 meters. Sorry, meters में not centimeters. 10 4 meters. Meters. So this slant height is 2.8. If the area of the canvas used for making a tent, find the area of the canvas. इसको total बनाने के लिए canvas use करते हैं, cloth use करते हैं, वो how much it is required you need to find, and also find the cost of the canvas for the tent at the rate of 500 rupees per centimeter square. So note that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. ये नीचे canvas नहीं है बोलकर. So that is nothing but only curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the cone. दोनों add करना. Total canvas area of the canvas used for making the tent to find it. So before that we are having a diameter ये है and here also radius is given to you. So that is nothing but you can consider the dimensions of the dimension. If you want, you write here dimensions of cylinder. Like this also you can write cylindrical part. इसमें radius is equals to 2 meters and height h is equals to 2.1 meters. Therefore, surface area. We are talking about the cylinder. Surface area of the cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h. So attached stretch also you can find out here. Let us write together. Dimensions of the cone. Dimensions of cone. And cone का radius क्या है? वो भी 2 meters है. Because cone radius is equals to the exactly उसके ऊपर हो गया है. So cone radius also cone radius नहीं बोलना है. Radius of the base of cone. Here r is nothing but क्या? Radius of the base of the cone. So and slant height L is equals to 2.8 meters. Therefore, area of the canvas used for the tent is equals to 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the. From this, if you want, you can take the pi r common ले सकते हैं 2h plus l. So pi will be 22/7 and the radius is equals to in both the places 2 meters. Okay, and 2h 2 into height is equals to 2.1 plus slant height is equals to 2.8. So which is equals to 44/7 into 4.2. This is 4.2 and 2.8. This is 7 exactly. 7 will get cancelled. So 44 meters square is the area. So here the question is asking you to find out cost of the canvas at the rate of 500. So cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square is equals to 44 into 500. Total area is 44 meters square. 44 by 44 आया है ना, okay. 44 into 500. So 5 4s are ये 2 zeros and this देखो 5 4s are 20, 2 carrying 5 4s are 20, 22. So 22,000 rupees will become the total cost of the making the tent. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या डाउट है? डाउट है?
No, sir. Doubt नहीं है.
ठीक, simple problems है बेटा. See, mostly all the problems can be solved, but I am explaining to you. Here situations are different. You can do it. Simple calculations हैं, इसमें ज़्यादा difficult figure भी नहीं है. But the problems. Next, eighth problem. From the solid of the cylinder, whose height is 2.4 centimeters and diameter is 1.4 centimeters, conical cavity of the same height of the diameter is hollowed out. उसको कट कर रही है. Okay, like this. The figure will be ये cut out. Here most of the students will commit the mistake. 2.4 centimeters height, and from the solid of the height 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeters. Yes, 1.4 centimeters is the diameter. Actually, what is the surface area of the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square is asking. So remaining solid का formula generate करना है इस situation में. Can anyone say what will be the formula? Can anyone say? Formula क्या होगा? Curved surface area of the cylinder और उसके अंदर से एक conical shape is cut out करें. Just like pen stand होता है ना, हमारा pen stand होता है, pens रखने के लिए, तो एक उसमें cylindrical shape है and exact height of the conical shape is cut out कर लिया.
सर
हाँ.
ये सर पाई तो 2 पाई आर एच होगा सर. उसके साथ साथ हम यहाँ पर वो लेटरल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन पाई आर एल
ऐड करना है, सबट्रैक्ट करना है.
सर वो ऐड करना पड़ेगा सर.
हाँ?
ऐड करना पड़ेगा सर.
What?
ऐड करना पड़ेगा सर. ऐड
करना है.
क्योंकि तो सर वो तो सरफेस रहेगा ना सर.
Along with that,
हाँ सर.
base area भी ऐड करना है.
हाँ वही सर ऐड करना है सर.
Because ये देखो ये ऊपर कट कर लिया है, इसमें अंदर ये hollow is nothing but it is completely cut out. So hollow, so there is ये place खाली हो गया, but नीचे place हो गया as it is. So that means the formula will become 2 pi r h plus pi r l. Why pi r l is inside area we are taking into consideration, and plus base area is pi r square. This is the, and how the data is with you, just substituting and finding only. समझ में आया? Any doubt here? Vedika, Purna Parma,
No, sir.
can you do it? Because height is given to you, and the diameter is given. Be careful that diameter 1.4 centimeters, then the radius becomes 0.7. So 22/7 आपको इसमें से आप pi r कॉमन ले सकते हैं. pi r कॉमन, r में 22/7, r वैल्यू 0.7 आ जाएगा. 0.7 you are going to get it. Okay? ये तो क्लियर है ना? Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
the-
sir.
ये डेसिमल्स में आ जाएगा थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन वाला. So you can do it. It's not very difficult to do. Okay? Try this one. This one I will say you homework. Ninth one. This also you can do it. A wooden article is made up by scooping out the hemispheres from the end of the solid cylinder. Solid cylinder से scoop out कर लिया है. Scoop out is मतलब both side से cut कर लिया है. Okay? Figure में already figure is given to you like this. A cylinder is given to you. So like this, either a part cut कर दिया. Hemispherical. So if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters, this height is 10 centimeters. This completely 10 centimeters height. And the base radius is 3.5 centimeters. Radius is given to you 3.5 centimeters or meters. Centimeters. Find the total surface area. The first formula generate करो. 2 pi r h curved surface area plus inside hemisphere. इधर आपका hemisphere. एक हेमिस्फीयर here, ऊपर हेमिस्फीयर. So दो हेमिस्फीयर्स together What sphere? So sphere surface area is 4 pi r square. This is the formula. Every value is there here. R and H value. The directly substitute करना है ये actually. Nothing else. Can you do it? And calculation also simple. You are going to get. It's not very difficult to you to get.